Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Selene type of any flowers in Heartopia. It is actually pretty simple once you figure out like how to actually crossbreed. The colors don't matter, but the stars they do matter. So, for instance, you want to get to the 2 stars one. So plant it in like 3 by 3, and you can do more actually, it doesn't matter. But the like easiest is 3 by 3 and have like your 1 star plants. Then you're going to get either 1 or 2 star like flowers from that, and then you're going to place the 2 star like flower in the middle of the like 3 by 3. So the 2 star will be here. And then you're just going to flower that. And then once you have a lot of the 2 stars flowers, you can place the 2 star flowers outside and place the 3 stars and so on and so forth. So again, the 1 star flowers will produce either 1 or 2 stars. The 2 star with the 2 star flowers will produce either 2 to 3 stars. And then 3 stars flowers, 3 to 4 stars. And then 4 plus 4 stars will equal to either 4 or the last one, which is the Selene one. So once you already have a lot of the like 4 stars one, like I do, if you don't have the Selene one, just place it together and place the 4 stars one in the middle. Then once you have the last one and you want more of the Selene flowers, you can do this like kind of layout. And watering is key. The more people who water, the higher the chance of success. And a maximum of 5 people can water your flowers, and it does make crossbreeding easier and more foolproof. But if you don't have friends, you can just use the rainbow crossbreeding powder, which works only if the flower has bloomed. So keep that in mind. And yeah, that is basically it, really. Again, the colors don't matter, but the stars do. You can also check it in collection. You can only check it once you've unlocked it though. So here are the stars for every colors. So for the 4 stars is the purple and blue, 3 is peach and black, 2 stars is pink and orange, and then the 1 stars are red, yellow, and white. So and the 5 star is obviously the Selene ones. Oh, okay. Hello. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.